Number 5, a square into b inverse 1 divided by a inverse 2 into b, then whole square. At first we apply index law of division. A power m divided by a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base a, according to the index law of division, their power will be subtracted. 2 minus 2 into here similar base b, so their power will be subtracted. Minus 1 minus 1, then whole square. A power 2 minus multiply minus, that means plus 2 into b, their power added value of minus 1 and minus 1 equal minus 2, then whole square. A power 4 into b inverse 2 whole square equal a power 4 whole square into b inverse 2 whole square. Here power will be multiplied, then 4 to the 8 into b, power will be multiplied, then value is minus 4 equal a power 8 into b inverse 4, write as 1 by b power 4. So their multiplying value is a power 8 by b power 4. Number 6, root over x inverse 1 into y into root over y inverse 1 into z into root over z inverse 1 into x. Root over x inverse 1 write as 1 by x into y into root over y inverse 1 write as 1 by y into z into root over z inverse 1 write as 1 by z into x. Root over 1 by x multiply with y, that means y by x into root over 1 by y multiply with z, that means z by y into root over 1 by z multiply with x, that means x by z. So we can write root over y by x into z by y into x by z. Here x reduce x, y reduce y, z reduce z, that means root over 1 equal 1. Number 7, 2 power n plus 4 minus 4 into 2 power n plus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 2 divided 2. 2 power n plus 4 minus 4 modify as 2 square into 2 power n plus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 2 divided by 2 power 1. Here we will be apply index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n minus here similar base 2, their power will be added 2 plus n plus 1. Here we will be apply index law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base 2, their power will be subtracted, n plus 2 minus 1. 2 power n plus 4 minus 2 power added value of 2 and 1 equal 3 plus n divided by 2 power n subtracted value of 2 and 1 equal plus 1. Now we will be applying index law of multiplication. That means 2 power n into 2 power 4 minus 2 cube into 2 power n divided by 2 power n into 2 power 1. Here we can take common value as 2 power n, then we can write 2 power 4 minus 2 cube divided by 2 power n into 2. 2 power n and 2 power n reduce. Value of 2 power 4 equals 16 minus cubic value of 2 is 8 divided by 2. Here subtracted value is 8 divided by 2 equal 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 equal 4. Number 8, 3 power m plus 1 divided by 3 power m, then whole power m minus 1 divided 9 power m plus 1 divided by 3 power m minus 1, then whole power m plus n. 3 power m plus 1 divided by 3. Here multiply power with power, that means m multiply m equal m square minus m multiply with 1, that means m divided by 9 modify as 3 square, then their power m plus 1 3. Here power and power will be multiply. Here we will be apply formula of a square minus b square, that means m minus 1 into m plus 1 equal m square minus 1 square. Three power m plus 1 divided by 3 power m square minus m divided 3 power, here power multiply with power, that means 2 multiply m equal 2m plus 2 multiply with 1 equal 2 by 3 power m square minus 1. Now we will be apply index law of division, that means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base is 3, so their power will be subtracted, m plus 1 minus m square minus m divided similar base 3, so their power will be subtracted, 2m plus 2 minus m square minus 1. 3 power m plus 1 minus m square minus multiply with minus equal plus m divided 3 power 2m plus 2 minus m square minus multiply with minus equal plus 1. 3 power m plus m equal 2m plus 1 minus m square divided 3 power 2m, added value of 2 and 1 equal 3 minus m square. Again we will be apply index law of division, that means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base is 3, so their power will be subtracted. 2m plus 1 minus m square minus 2m plus 3 minus m square, 3 power 2m plus 1 minus m square minus 2m minus multiply with plus equal minus 3 minus multiply with minus equal plus m square. Minus m square plus m square equals 0, plus 2m minus 2m equals 0. Here subtracted value of minus 3 and plus 1 equal minus 2. 3 inverse 2 modify as 1 by 3 square equal 1 by 9.